So I got the boiler exhaust put on my car a few weeks back, and they have what they call MPP valves, or Chevrolet calls them nuclear propulsion package or whatever. But the LT3, I think LT2s come with them too. There's exhaust valves that are controlled by engine RPM and the ECU. So it's based on how much those valves open or close. And you can put it in Z mode and leave the valves fully open if you want to do that. Also, it's for when you do a cold start. It opens the valves fully for 2 seconds to give you that rumble when you have that cold start. So it's really loud. And I have this. What else I was going to tell you is that after you install those valves, they have to be relearned. You can take it to the dealer and pay them a couple $100, or you can do it yourself. Because when those valves aren't calibrated, it throws a check engine light. So you're going to get a check engine light on your car. And the only way to correct that is to take it into the dealer and have them recalibrate it, or do it yourself. I choose to do it myself with this. This is a code reader. It's a little bit better. Next level up from OBD2 reader. I'll put a link in the description. This is from Launch. It's Creader Elite. You can get it on Amazon or their website. And this allows you to not only read, but write, or not write, but give commands to the ECU to calibrate, so to speak. You can't rewrite the ECM, obviously, or ECU, obviously, but you can send commands with this. So, yeah, that's what I'm going to do today. So let's get in here and get this calibrated. First thing we're going to do is put this thing in service mode, so don't hit the brake. Just hold this down for like 10 seconds. Puts it in service mode, then we plug in our launch. Back out of here. Alexa, turn off the garage. Lights are bright. I'm gonna hit this diagnostics, right? Back out of here. Diagnostics, come down to Chevrolet. Hit OK. This should clear our check engine light. This can be used on other vehicles too, you know? So, like I said, I'll leave a link. This thing's a pretty handy tool. It's not the $2,000-3,000 one, but it does the job. Okay, we're gonna go manual, Chevrolet, pick your year, come down, find your car, Corvette. All right. Just kind of a process here. Then we're gonna go system selection, ECM, engine control module. And here's where it has the MPP valves, okay? So if you have the MPP valves, you select MPP. That's what we're trying to relearn today, or calibrate. We want to come down to special functions, learn functions, and there they are, okay? Cylinder deactivation, exhaust control valve learn. There it is. So there's your position of your valves. So I come down here, exhaust, valve, learn, enable conditions met, hit it, hit learn. You hear that? That's the valves relearning. Then it says yes, you're good. I'll hit it again. Here. There you go. And you just cycle through all your other valves. Exhaust, position, open. And that's it. Back out, bada bing. And that's it. Alexa, turn on the garage. That's it. Once you get them reprogrammed, your check engine light will go away. And take it out of maintenance mode. And you should be good. No check engine light. Gone. Okay. No check engine light. So like I said, when I installed this exhaust initially, they tell you at the first start, you might not get it. The second start, it's 90% of the time. And that's when I started the car the second time. I received the check engine light. Use this programmer right here. Save me a trip to the dealership. And also, I can use it on future endeavors. All right. So if you like these videos, man, be sure to like and subscribe. And again, man, thanks for watching. And yeah, it's on to the next one.